This is my California Air Tools ultra quiet air compressor, part number 10020C. It's 2 horsepower and it's very quiet. It's got the dual outlets on there. I think it weighs in about 85 pounds and it pumps up in about less than 2 minutes from completely empty. And I think it kicks on at 90 psi and up to 120. I think it takes about 25 seconds. And it's right at where it'll kick on now. I'll kick it on and you can check it out. Probably a little noisier in my garage. All the concrete and sheetrock. Getting close. That's the normal recovery time from 90 to 120. I've only had it a couple days. I guess we'll see how it'll do over time. But so far, so good. Thanks for watching.